It's bank holiday, Easter weekend, and I'm here today taking this machine over to a charity fundraising event where there is a little Easter egg hunt. And I'm going to be here with this machine so that the kids can get some pictures on a digger. So I'm roading it to site today just because it's going to be quicker for me to drive it over there. I'm heading from the factory here in Roaster over to Willington. So yeah, have a look how many miles it is and we'll see how long it takes in this thing. I'm looking forward to the drive. The sun's not out, but it's not raining. Right. So let's have a look where we're going. Mercia Marina. 26 minutes by car. 19 miles. So yeah, I'm hoping to get there in about 45 minutes, but let's see. I'm in the Pro. So this is our 50 kilometers per hour machine. So yeah, assuming 30 miles per hour. I can't do the maths, but I won't be traveling at that speed the entire way. So we will set that up. Roughly know where I'm going. So I'm going to pop there. Code in. Ready to go. Leeds fans feel after a 1-0 win at Oxford, top of the Championship and closing on promotion to the Premier League. So, setting off at 9:30 exactly. 19 miles to go. Let's see what time we arrive. So I'm off today to a charity event. It's a charity Easter egg hunt for Hannah's Hope, which is a charity that is raising money to open a teenage cancer respite unit, essentially. A little lodge that's going to be at Mercia Marina, where the event is today, where families that are struggling through teenage cancer sufferers and their families to be able to go to have a break, really. And the charity Hannah's Hope was started by Hannah, who is a JCB employee. She was a welding apprentice that started with JCB and unfortunately has went through her own battle with cancer as a teenager, and her family went through that experience, and an incredible family and an incredible person as well, Hannah is. I believe she's in a good place now, health-wise. So very, very happy for her. And now getting through her own battle wasn't enough for her. She's now going on and continuing her fundraising to help other people and other families like hers, which I just find, yeah, so inspirational. So yeah, I'm more than happy to be here on my bank holiday weekend, driving past World Headquarters on my day off, but it's worth it to be out in this machine and to go and support. It'll be nice. There'll be lots of families there celebrating the Easter weekend, and I'm glad to bring along this machine and hopefully talk to some young people about diggers and about the backhoe loader, and let them sit in the cab, let them have a feel for it, and I don't know, we might inspire the next generation into wanting to become digger drivers. It's always such a beautiful drive, this. I drive it every day, but I think I notice it even more so at the moment with these blossom trees, these beautiful pink blossom trees. The groundskeepers out on the JCB golf course, keeping it in absolute pristine condition. They do a fantastic job there. So actually I'm going to lock on auto drive. So I just had my foot flat on the throttle, travelling at maximum speed, and by flicking on auto drive I'm just able to take my foot off the pedal, a bit like a cruise control. Once I'm going I can't adjust the speed, but the second I tap the brakes it will drop out of auto drive. It just means I don't have to keep my foot down on that accelerator pedal constantly. can sit back and enjoy the ride. Oh, that heated seat's getting nice and warm now as well. This is really the best machine for the job today. 19 miles to get to the site. If I'd have got a low loader in, that would have perhaps cost me about maybe £300, possibly even more, because it's a Saturday. Of course, you've got to go there and back, so I don't know, £600 to transport this machine to this event today, which just wouldn't have made it feasible for me to take it, really. It's a charity event, so instead I could just pick the machine up, drive to site. I say we'll see how long it takes, but I'm reckoning about 45 minutes. It would have taken half an hour by car. Such a pleasure driving this machine. It's just no effort at all. Just cruising along. So I'm on this long straight road for quite a while actually, which is a nice easy drive. Back to the 90s.
And I'm more than you bargained for yet. I've been dying to tell you anything. You take me all around here.
We're going down,
The sugar won't going down swinging. I've been
bring the beat in.
Baby, it's you. Come on, I love. Come on, I need. I never meant to break, but I got it what I wanted now.
Oh, what a tune. What a tune. I forgot how much I love this song.
There's a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her.
Oh, this is one of my favourite songs.
I wanna take you to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere.
Absolute vibes. Cruising along in my 3CX Pro with this pop song. What a day to be alive.
I had a feeling that I belong. We'll be loving you till 70.
So we are pretty much there. The time is 10:09. So you've smashed that, 40 minutes. It is very busy. Where am I meant to be? Well, there's some cones in a parking space. Maybe that means it's for me. Maybe. Can I go here? Do you know what? I'm going to take this space. Is it here? Am I meant to be here? Yes, I am. Right. I am in the right place. Let's not knock a cone over. Let's scooch it around this way. Good morning. You all right? Yeah. So these basically two bays here.
These two bays.
Lovely. I was thinking about perhaps putting it on a bit of an angle, maybe.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. Because then you can. Yeah.
These have changed.
Yeah. 50 kilometres per hour this goes. It's taken me 40 minutes to drive from Roaster, which is about 30 minutes in a car.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've had cruise control on. just...
Sure.
Yeah, lovely.
I've driven the
So good.
military derivative.
Oh yeah,
JCB,
well they
the
go
old
quite
one.
fast, the military ones.
Oh yeah, yeah. We used to throw them around.
Yeah, I've got the heated seat on,
But then we had a
Bluetooth
big
connected.
as well. But yeah, this is lovely, isn't it?
Spot on. Scooch it in. Perfect, this works. Put the bucket down on the floor, handbrake on. Oh, I need to take my slew lock out before I do that. Jump out and do that. Right, turn the beacons off. I think I'm happy with that. There we go. Right, I better get my cleaning kit out now because there's a bit of road splatter that's got the machine looking a bit dirty and I want it to be nice and clean for the event today. So I'm going to get my cleaning kit out and give it a clean down. We are all set up. I have got my Easter bunny ears. Machine's looking great here, so yeah, should be a good day here today, raising some money for a great charity as well. So already the kids are really excited to have the digger here, so I'm sure it'll be good. We've even got the Easter bunny here with us today.
Come on down!
Do you want to drive the digger, Easter bunny?
If my arthritis will let me.
Oh, he's getting in.
Easter Bunny's going in.
How's that?
This is brilliant. Where's the keys? Come on. Bye.
Taking the keys out, Easter bunny. Wow, is that good? Look how happy you are. I get this happy too when I drive diggers. This is called a backhoe loader. Was that good? Are you coming out then? There we go. Love, wow. Classed as a wheeled digger essentially. So yeah, it's called a backhoe loader. It's got the loader at the front and then the backhoe is the digger bit. But it can do everything. It can drive itself to the job, dig the bit out of the back and then scoop. Did you enjoy the Easter egg hunt? Yes.
Hey, you enjoy
Was
it?
it good fun?
Did you see all the bunnies?
Look at his face. He's so happy. Wow! You can spin him round in the seat as well, so he's facing, yeah. What? You're going into digger mode.
Digger mode. Do some digging.
What? You're going to drive it home. Can you reach the pedals with your feet? That makes it go fast. That makes it stop. Can you not reach them? Well, maybe next year you can drive it home.
If it grows that much in the year.
Hello. Do you want to get in the digger? Oh, wow.
Yes, right. Do you want to go
That's it. See, that's it. Get some help climbing. There we go. That's it. Hold on to the handles. Good. So that's all it for the event now. I'm going to head back to the factory and drop this machine back. I've done quite well for myself today. Got myself a lovely little Easter stash of goodies. It's been brilliant. The kids have really loved it, so that's the main thing. I feel like I've got some pom-poms. I've got the camera rolling here as well. Woo! That's a wrap. Oh God. Got a good little collection. Oh gosh, all the buttons have pressed. Don't worry. Right, that is a wrap. Back to the factory. What time is it? 3:55. Full speed ahead. Get this digger, drop back, get myself home. Eat the Easter eggs. You make my dreams come true. It was such a lovely day. I really love stuff like this, and I really don't think we do it often enough, really. It's just really nice to get the kids, little girls and little boys, sand the digger, and secretly the adults love it as well.
I'm walking on sunshine. Yeah.
Beauty! Backstreet Boys.
You are. I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. And my thoughts will wind it that way.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I nailed that. Oh! Another absolute banger.
No one can change your life except for you. If you hold on for one more day, I know that there is change. Hold on for one more day and break free, break from the chains. Someday somebody's gonna make you wanna turn around and say goodbye. That don't impress me much. So I can feel something inside to say I really don't think you're strong enough, no. I took a trip to the year 3000. This song had got multi-platinum. Baby, take a good look around. I know it's not much, but it's okay. We'll keep on moving on anyway. Bye, bye. Baby, bye, bye, bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another.
I absolutely loved Blue when I was younger. They were my top boy band. I went to see them like 3 times in concert.
How life can give me You're my everything. I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna give it. No, no. Everybody's saying one love for the mother's pride. One love, one love for the hip hop beats. One love, oh I do believe. One love is all we need.
Now, we are back home, pulling in front of the factory now. A beautiful factory here in Little Old Roaster. Such an impressive building, actually. It's great to see. I will survive. Absolutely fantastic day today. A little drive out, some feel-good tunes, and all for a fantastic cause as well. I'm actually going to put the link to Hannah's Hope charity for their fundraiser in the description to this video, because Yeah, Hannah's just an amazing person, and she's connected to JCB as well. She was a welding apprentice before all of this happened to her, and she's still back at JCB now, working a couple of days a week as she sort of tries to get back to some normality in her life. Her battle's by no means over, but for now she's in good health. It was great to see her today at the event. Yeah, just really happy to support this event today, and there was a good turnout, lots of children there and lots of Easter eggs found, and I've done well for myself as well, my little Easter stash. So yeah, as I pull back into JCB, I will park up this digger and get myself home, and then I'm going to enjoy the rest of my bank holiday weekend, eat all of these eggs, and back here on Tuesday for another week of work. But today was absolutely fantastic, really enjoyed it, feel good, very nice, lovely way to spend the day. Great day, love that. Good fun, bit of silliness, and now we head home. So yeah, over and out from me, and I hope everyone has a fabulous Easter and enjoys the weekend. Bye.